To fix a declining Merrick credit card, it is essential to understand the possible reasons behind the decline. The most common reasons include insufficient funds, exceeding the credit limit, incorrect card information, and security concerns. First, verify your account balance and credit limit to ensure you have sufficient funds for the transaction. Check your recent transactions to confirm you are not exceeding your credit limit. Next, review your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, to ensure it is correct. If you are making an online transaction, check that your browser is up to date and that you are using a secure connection. If you have recently made changes to your account, such as a new address or phone number, ensure that the information is updated with Merrick. Security concerns, such as suspicious transactions or multiple failed login attempts, may also cause your card to decline. To resolve the issue, contact Merrick customer service to verify your account information and confirm that there are no security concerns. They may request additional information to verify your identity and update your account details. In some cases, Merrick may require you to reset your password or security questions to enhance account security. Once the issue is resolved, you can retry the transaction to confirm that your card is working correctly. It is also a good practice to regularly review your account activity and update your account information to prevent future declines. By following these steps, you can identify and fix the issue with your Merrick credit card and ensure seamless transactions.